Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 to show you today. And I really like this one. The Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 is such a popular bag anyway. It's a really nice, lightweight little luggage design. But I love it in the damier ebene print as well. I think it looks really cool. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then we have a zip top closure. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've got a really nice red fabric lining, and then we have one zipped pocket, and then underneath that zipped pocket, if you lift it up, you'll be able to see that date code embossed into the leather there. So if you can see that there, you can see that it's from 2017. The condition of it, it's in a really nice condition. We've called the exterior and the interior very good. There's just kind of slight marking to the exterior, so there's a very slight mark there, and then on one of the corners, this front corner here, you'll be able to see a very tiny little bit of scratching, and then again some very slight scratching underneath those top handles, but again that's really tiny and you can barely see it under there. Most of that leather is in a very nice condition. So that's why I've called that exterior very good. And because it is coated canvas, it's just nice and lightweight and flexible and durable, so it will wear really well. And then the interior, again, is very good. There's just, you can see a little bit of a kind of worn edge on that leather there, and a little bit of marking on these leather tabs. But again, it's really slight, very slight wear. And other than that, it is really kind of perfect on the inside. And then the hardware we've called good. There is a little bit more wear to the hardware, so you can see a little bit of wear on that zip, and a little bit of wear to these studs as well. But you can see most of that gold tone still really nicely, so that is why we've called the hardware good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Just open that up so you can see it. And then we also have a little Louis Vuitton miniature little pouch, and inside there we have a cardboard box, and that has the Louis Vuitton padlock inside. So I'll open that up and show you that. So it is wrapped in tissue paper. And there we go, got the little padlock inside there. And also in this little pouch we have the two Louis Vuitton keys that go with that padlock. I'll just get those out. You can see we've got those two keys as well. And then finally, we have the Louis Vuitton box, which is always nice, especially if you're getting it as a gift for someone, and it's nice when it comes in a box as well. So if you'd like to find out some more details on this bag, you'll be able to find them on our website. You can go to the link in the description below, and it should take you straight to the Speedy 30 on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. I'm sure it will sell really quickly because it is a gorgeous bag. But if you've seen it on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it, but it's gone by the time you get to our website, let us know that you would like one, and we can get you on the request list. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am size UK 10, size 4, and I think the Speedy 30 is the perfect little size, because it is nice and lightweight, but there is a lot of space in there. And again, I just really like this damier ebene print. I think it's nice, very cool, very stylish print, especially with the gold hardware as well. It looks really gorgeous. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy as well. And don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags.